Good morning, students. Today we're going to learn Kirchhoff current law. Kirchhoff current law is used in nodal analysis along with Ohm's law. So this law says that algebraic sum of currents entering a node is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. What does that mean? So suppose if in a node n currents are entering, okay, so say this is my current, so this is k equal to 1 to n, okay. So if you sum all the currents entering a node, okay, the sum of the algebraic sum of all the currents will be 0, okay. So this law comes from conservation of charge. So for example, in a node n currents are entering, okay, so say I1 t plus I2t plus I3t and so on, okay. Now we know the relation between charge and current. So charge is given by integration of current IDT, okay. So if I integrate this expression, okay, so say this is a total current, so I'll get total charge Qt equal to Q1t, Q2t, Q3t and so on, okay. Now I know from the charge conservation, okay, so if charge is entering is suppose in node, okay, so according to charge conservation the charge at a node must not change, okay. That means this node a will not store any charge, okay. That means total charge at a node should be 0. So if I put Qt equals to 0, this will implies it t equals to 0, okay. So this validate our statement that algebraic sum of currents at a node should be 0, okay. So we'll understand now this Kirchhoff law using one example. So let me take one example. So I have been given one current source. Say this is my current source of 9 ampere, okay, and then I have given a resistance, okay, of 2 ohm, and across this resistance I have one more current source, okay, dependent current source, okay. This is drawing current I0 4, and across this I have one more 8 ohm resistance, okay, and across this resistance the voltage drop is V0, okay. So my aim is to calculate I0 and V0. So using applying KCL, how can we solve this one? So I know the total current is coming in this node, this whole points, this whole junctions are a single node, okay, because across this junctions there is a no element is available, no element exists, okay. So this whole node, okay, these 4 points, okay, this will be considered a single junction. So total current entering in this junction is 9 ampere, okay. So I04 current is going here in this element, okay, resistance 8 ohm. I don't know what is the amount of current is entering, okay. So I assume the amount of current entering this 8 ohm resistance is I, okay. Now this combination, okay, the whole is parallel to this combination, okay. So now suppose here also current is given, current is given going I naught. Okay, so I know that this combination is parallel. Okay, so what is will be the value of V naught? So value of V naught will be 8 into I, because 8 on the resistance and current is flowing is I. Okay, and this voltage is equal to this current. Okay, and this voltage. Okay, so this voltage is 2 into I naught. Okay, now from here I can calculate the value of I. So a value of I will come I naught by 4. Okay, so in this circuit also current is flowing I by 4. So 9 ampere is current coming. Okay, I naught is going in 2 ohm branch. I naught 4 is flowing in this dependent source, and I naught 4 is flowing across this 8 ohm. Okay, now I can apply my KCL. Okay, so applying KCL. Okay, so the total current is entering is 9. Okay, so 9 ampere. Okay, so I naught is coming here, I naught. Okay, so I naught plus I naught 4 is going here. Okay, and here is also coming I naught 4. So this is 9. Okay, this will become 3 I naught upon 2. So this implies I naught equal to 9 upon 2 and 3. Okay, so this will give me 6 ampere. So 9 ampere is current coming here. Okay, this is I naught, 6 ampere current is going across in this 2 ohm resistance, remaining 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 current. Okay, so 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 and 6 total 9. Okay, so in this way we can apply KCL at a node. Okay, so Kirchhoff law says algebraic sum of current entering and node should be 0. Okay, so for example here this 9 ampere current is coming. Okay, so when I applying KCL, this will be taking positive, and the current leaving, okay, current leaving should be negative. So this be I naught, this I naught 4 by 4, and this I naught by 4 will be negative. Okay, so if I sum this one, so this will be here I naught plus I naught by 4 plus I naught by 4. Okay, that means current entering a node equal to current leaving the node. Okay, this is also one of the form of this KCL. Okay, so in next class or next lecture we will start your network theorems, and we'll see next class how superposition theorems works.